Wait, let's call him a Mohawk bunny. Let's call him a Mohawk bunny. I have to do that bunny.
Hi, Bubba's.
Let's call him
Hi,
Mohawk.
Bubba's.
Let's call him Mohawk.
I see.
He's cool.
He's a cool dude.
He's a cool dude. Okay, let me just do that. Let me just put that down. I want to pick him up.
No, right now.
What? What's that? What is
Did he
that?
just burp?
Yeah. He just burped after that big meal that I just gave him. I gave you a big meal, yeah. Yeah, that's alright. What? You don't like me anymore. No, 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 no. No, you'll never get out. You'll never.
Hi, gorgeous. Oh, Peanut. No, no.
Aw. Hello, little cutie. You want to feel me? Come and get me. What?
He doesn't like you touching his belly, honey.
Why? It's long toenails. They long.
He's licking my pants.
Why is he licking you?
Must think I'm dirty pants is grooming me.
No. No. Okay. Wait, what? Why's coming up here? What is this? No, he's looking for a way out. What if you just let him free
No.
in here? Oh, he just broke me.
Did he pop you?